everyone, this is Jag. In this video, I'll cover how to grow lots of peas. So let's get started. I'm starting with some pea seeds. I'm using this spinach container to create a mini humidity dome to start my seeds. Check out the video on this spinach container if you're interested. I'll leave a link to this video in the description. Plant seeds about ½ inch deep and 3 inches apart. Cover the seeds after planting and water the seeds. The spinach container locks in humidity and creates perfect environment for seeds to grow. Peas germinate very fast, and in just 3 days, small seedlings become visible. The seedlings are absolutely gorgeous. You can also grow pea microgreens. Check out my video on how to grow pea microgreens if you're interested. After 2 weeks of growing, seedlings grow to 6 inches tall and they are ready to be transplanted outside. Simply scoop up the seedlings and plant the seedlings in your garden next to a trellis. Plant spacing should be 12 inches or 1 foot apart, and row spacing should be 24 inches or 2 feet apart. Peas are a cool weather crop. Plant peas in spring 6 weeks before the last frost. Young pea plants can tolerate frost very well. Water regularly and keep the soil moist. Do not let the soil dry out. After 4 weeks, peas are well established and start to climb on the trellis. Peas do not grab onto the wood trellis. The stakes are just too thick for the plants. So I secured the plants with some threads hanging from the trellis. The plants grab onto the thread very well and climb with no issues. After 2 months, I got to see the first flower on my plants. Few days later, the plants start to develop lots of flowers. These flowers look absolutely gorgeous and just shimmer in the sunlight. Peas belong to the legume family of plants and they are nitrogen fixers. It is a very good practice to plant legumes such as peas and beans before planting tomatoes and corn. Peas help to add nitrogen in the soil and they do not need many fertilizer. Just some compost does the job. I also made a video on how you can make your own hot compost. The link is in the description. Peas are a vining variety of plants. Not vining like they cry a lot, but vining as in they like to climb. Poor joke, never mind. Anyway, peas can grow up to 5 feet tall, so make sure you have a large trellis, unlike me here. After 3 months of growing, peas are ready to harvest. You can clearly see little peas developing inside the pods. Now it's time to pick some peas. The wind knocked my pea plants over, but they'll be okay. Just snip peas from the plant and they come right off. I've been picking peas frequently and I've been getting a handful of peas every other day. You can also let some of your peas go to seed so you can save the seeds to plant next year. These plants are just loaded with peas. There's lots of peas on these plants and I'll be snacking on these peas for a while. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you grow peas in your garden, and I'll see you in another video.